Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Asri with name 231051130. This time I will explain 5 economic vocabulary words found in the case and fair book. Let's go. 1. Price elasticity. Price elasticity measures the responsiveness of the quantity demanded or supplied of a good or price to a change in its price. Price elasticity is calculated by dividing the percentage change in the quantity by the percentage change in the price. Example, if the price of ice cream increased by 10%, and the quantity of ice cream demanded decreased by 5%, then the price elasticity of ice cream is minus 0.5. This indicates the demand for ice cream is inelastic because the quantity demanded does not decrease as much as the price increase. 2. Marginal cost. Marginal cost is the additional cost of producing one more unit of a good or service. Marginal cost is typically calculated by dividing the change in total cost by the change in quantity of output. Example, if a firm produces 100 units of product and its total cost is $10,000, and then it produces 101 units of product and this total cost is $10,000, then the marginal cost for the 101 units is $10. 3. Marginal utility. Marginal utility is the additional satisfaction that a consumer derives from consuming one more unit of a good or service. Marginal utility is typically measured by dividing the change in total utility by the change in quantity consumed. Example, if a consumer consumes 1 unit of ice cream and reserves 10 units of utility and then consume one more unit of ice cream and uh, 15 units of utility, then the marginal utility for the second unit is 5 units. 4. Consumer surplus. Consumer surplus is the difference between the maximum price a consumer is willing to pay for a good or service and the price they actually pay. Consumer surplus can be calculated by drawing a demand curve and a supply curve and then calculating the area of the triangle formed between the two curves. Example, if the maximum price a consumer is willing to pay for 1 unit of ice cream is $5 and the market price of ice cream is $4, then the consumer surplus for 1 unit of ice cream is $1. The last is producer surplus. Producer surplus is the difference between the minimum price a producer is willing to accept to sell a good or service and the price they actually receive. Producer surplus can be calculated by drawing a supply curve and demand curve and then calculating the area of the triangle formed between the two curves. Example, if the minimum price a producer is willing to accept to sell 1 unit of ice cream is $3 and the market price of ice cream is $4 and the producer suppose for 1 unit of ice cream is $1. Okay, these are the 5 vocabulary words in the Kids and Fair book. Thank you so much for your nice attention and bye bye.